Hi and welcome back to Mantra Chakra. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we will be discussing the many benefits of malachite crystal and how it can be used for manifestation and spiritual growth. First, let's talk about the benefits of malachite. Malachite is a green mineral that is often used to help with emotional balance and to promote positive energy. It's known for its ability to help clear blockages and promote positive energy flow, making it an ideal tool for manifestation. Now, let's talk about how to use malachite for manifestation. One of the most common ways to use malachite crystal for manifestation is to carry it with you. This can be done by placing a piece of malachite in your pocket or by wearing a malachite crystal bracelet. Having the crystal close to your body will allow its energy to work on your behalf, promoting positive energy flow and helping to clear blockages. Another effective way to use malachite crystal for manifestation is to place it on your altar. An altar is a sacred space where you can focus your intentions and connect with the spiritual realm. Placing a piece of malachite on your altar will help to amplify your intentions and promote positive energy flow. Meditation is another great way to use malachite crystal for manifestation. Hold the malachite crystal in your hand and focus on your intentions as you meditate. The crystal's energy will help to clear blockages and promote positive energy flow, making it easier for you to manifest your desires. Now, let's talk about how to use malachite for spiritual growth. Malachite is also said to promote spiritual growth. It is said to connect us to the spiritual realm and to help us access higher states of consciousness. This can be achieved through energy work, chakra healing, or dream work. One way to use malachite for spiritual growth is through energy work. Energy work involves manipulating and balancing the body's energy to promote healing and spiritual growth. Malachite can be placed on specific energy points, such as the chakras, to help balance and clear them. By holding the malachite crystal or wearing a malachite crystal bracelet, it can help to align the energy centers and promote spiritual growth. Another way to use malachite for spiritual growth is through chakra healing. The chakras are the body's energy centers, and each one corresponds to a different aspect of our being. Malachite is said to be particularly beneficial for the heart chakra, which is associated with love, compassion, and emotional balance. By placing a piece of malachite on or near the heart chakra, it can help to balance and align it, promoting spiritual growth. Dream work is another way to use malachite for spiritual growth. Malachite is said to promote lucid dreaming, which allows us to become aware that we are dreaming and to actively participate in our dreams. By placing a piece of malachite under your pillow or wearing a malachite crystal bracelet while you sleep, it can help to promote lucid dreaming and allow for deeper exploration of the spiritual realm. Before using malachite for manifestation and spiritual growth, it is important to cleanse and charge it. This will help to clear away any negative energy that the crystal may have picked up and will ensure that it is working at its fullest potential. There are several methods to cleanse malachite crystal, including running it under water, smudging it with sage, burying it in the earth, or placing it on a bed of sea salt. To charge it, you can place it in the sun or moonlight, or place it on top of a clear quartz crystal or selenite. Incorporating malachite crystal into your daily life can have a significant impact on your well-being and your ability to manifest your desires. Whether you choose to carry it with you, place it on your altar, or use it in meditation, the malachite crystal benefits are numerous. Its ability to promote positive energy flow and clear blockages can help to make your manifestation practice more effective and powerful. It's important to remember that the power of malachite crystal is not only in its physical properties but also in the belief and intention you put into it. It's not a magic wand that will solve all your problems, but it can help to clear blockages and promote positive energy. It is important to combine it with other tools such as visualization, affirmations, and action to manifest your desires. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the benefits and uses of malachite crystal. Don't forget to cleanse and charge your malachite crystal regularly, and to experiment with it to see how it can enhance your own practices. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on crystals and their uses.